Hello guys, welcome to another section. I am Sobhagya from Mr. Monument. Friends, in today's section, I will going to share you about what is HostGator affiliate program and how it is the most popular and cheap affiliate program for the newbies who are now joining in the field of digital marketing. Friends, HostGator is a very popular program, so you can use to host your website and also you can promote it to another persons or your customers to use these websites. So let's get started. Friends, in this modern world, all businesses are shifted towards online. It is estimated that 65% of small business or intermediate business have a website in this modern 21st world. Now it is very mandatory to have a website to run your business or to grow also yourself. If you want to make a job or if you want to find any job, then the first thing you have to have an website, because in this world if you have an website, then the recruiter will be happy and he will know that the person have some knowledge and he has also some co-curricular activities, so you're getting the job chances is will be higher. So friends, to create a website, hosting is very important. So all we have a hosting to host our website in Google. So here we are discussed about the popular cheap hosting program HostGator. HostGator is a very well known because here we can start host our website at very low cost. Friends, in the description box I will give you the HostGator affiliate link also. Through that you can purchase your affiliate program or you can purchase any services from HostGator. Then next talk into the section that in the other part of the program is their affiliate program. I mean HostGator affiliate program. You can get a lots of commission by joining their affiliate program with absolutely free of cost. Do you deal with the people who are trying to building their websites? Then HostGator is a very best and perfect for beginners. HostGator's hosting service are also very well in the market. So you can also promote the HostGator affiliate service to your customers and you can make a lot of money from it. That means you can promote HostGator services by joining the HostGator affiliate program and refer these services to your customers and make money. This company has a lots of offer to its users and also affiliates. So if you join as an affiliate to this company, then also you get a lots of offer and benefits. I want to discuss you about what is HostGator and what is the history of HostGator. Friends, this company was found in dorm room by Brent Oxley in 2002. This company also grew their customers very fast. This company continued to grow rapidly thereafter and hits the target 2 lakh customers in just 7 years after it formed. So you can make a graph about how it will grow. Their affiliate program is very popular also in the market. Many people in today's world also earning a lot of money from this affiliate program. Here you have a question in your mind that how to join in this HostGator affiliate program. Then to becoming an HostGator affiliate partner, it is quite simple. Only you have to go to their website and sign up with their HostGator affiliate program. Through that you can join their program. If you have a web developing business or you have a blog or you have a marketing channel that are about in this niche, then it is very easy to promote these products, because your clients or customer also needs any hosting program. In this type of manner you can use this affiliate to make their websites and earn a lot of money. Not only you will get the affiliate link from the site, but also you get a lot of banners, posters and coupon codes from them, which you can use to your blog post or website to make advertisement. Friends, to join this program you have to go through Impact Radius program, because these affiliates, I mean HostGator affiliate don't have their own affiliate. I mean they have no their own affiliate sites through that they can promote other businesses. So they give their money to Impact Radius affiliate program. I think you know it in the market because it is a very popular affiliate marketing channel in the market also. Through this program, this Impact Radius program, you can join HostGator affiliate program. So Impact Radius is a big affiliate network through which you can join different affiliate program provided by different company. Not only you go into the HostGator, but also you get on the different kinds of other affiliate program which is available in the market. It keep all your data in the backend and track your progress and money earning part. This platform also allows you to enable the sales report, earning report also. Also the announcement from and offers from other HostGator like companies. It also allows you to keep your payment and help you to give your payment also. So if you look after this Impact Radius affiliate program, then it is very good. You can join this program in free and apply for different affiliate program. But one thing, keep in your mind that your website have some traffic, then they will select you for your affiliate program. So if you have any question about what is the commission rate of HostGator, then HostGator commission rate and their paying methods are also pretty good. They pay a good amount of money to their affiliate, which motivates the affiliate to give more leads from HostGator. They also have a system method through which more you give sell, more commission you get from them. It means if you give more sales in a month, then to a more commission, or you can get a lot of commission from it. Here is a quick summary on how a affiliate program or affiliate commission of HostGator give to their affiliates. Friends, in a month, if you have signed up or if you sell 1 to 5 web hosting services, then you get $65 per successful sign up. If you are making 6 to 10 in a month, then you get $75 per customer. If you get 11 to 20 sign up in a month, you get $100 per sign up. But if you get 25 plus sign up in a month, then you get $125 per sign up. It's pretty good. Then what are the HostGator rules? How you can apply for this affiliate? So friends, the first rule is the payout terms of HostGator are around 45 days. It means after buying hosting from HostGator, the user can also replace the services in 45 days. So you have to wait for 45 days, then your affiliate should reach you. If someone buying from this affiliate link from HostGator, then he replace the services, then you not pay you. Because if they buy these services and use these services till this completion, then it is a successful customer. Then only HostGator pay you. Second thing, HostGator has a 60 days cookie policy. It means someone who goes to the HostGator and sign up from your affiliate link, then he or she is your customer for next 60 days. It means under 60 days, if he buys any services from HostGator, they will also pay you. What are the support and tools for HostGator affiliate? Friends, you will get a lot of affiliate banners, posters, offers through them, and they which you can promote through your website. When someone clicks on it, they will give you a commission. Also, you get link to promote through your social media account and earn commission. Other great deal are you get a lot of coupon code and offers from this company which you can promote to your clients. On your affiliate dashboard, you get a custom promo code here and you can put it into your content. Friends, it is all about HostGator affiliate program. I think for a beginner to start their affiliate journey, HostGator is a very good program. So you can write different articles, different blog posts on HostGator affiliate program. If you have ability, you also make YouTube videos through which you can also promote affiliate program. So friends, I think it is quite simple to you and you can understand how HostGator affiliate works. Thank you friends.